Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. It's Anthony here, Good House Fuck Yard and Refinishing. We're in Denver, North Carolina, right on the water. Beautiful area. We're here to do a screen and recoat on some solid pine floors. There goes the Good House mobile, looking fantastic. Let me take you guys inside. I'll show you what we're up against today. We're going to be doing a screen and recoat on the whole downstairs except for the primary bedroom, and that we're just going to be cleaning and buffing. Beautiful pine floors. A little bit wear here from an office chair. Relatively decent shape, a bunch of scratches, some deep ones that are definitely not coming out, but we're going to get some new protection down. We're going with 2 coats here. You can see I started to abrade the kitchen already. And then this living room, got some wear. We're gonna do some color correction. And that's it, young Jason's back here, starting to clean this bedroom. Jason's leaving me. He joined the Army. July 28, he ships out. So let's all keep him in prayer. Well, he'll be with me until then as I find a new assistant. And then he goes and defends our country. Very proud of him. Like my son, retired Marine, always a Marine. My dad was in the Army. Anywho, this is going to be fantastic, so stick around. I'll come back and show you the final results. Alright guys, we are cleaning tacking. Look how good these floors are going to look. Alrighty guys, we are putting down the first coat. Look how beautiful these pine floors are turning out. Fantastic. Alright guys, first coat is down and drying. We will be back tomorrow to lay the second coat. Alrighty guys, we're here on day 2. We're gonna be putting down the last final coat, and we are going with my favorite finish on the market, Loba 2K Duo Satin. Okay, look how good that looks. Last coat is down and drying. Look how beautiful. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.